de la multinacional.
At a congressional commission on November 10th, politicians and experts discussed a law being pursued by the Colombian government that would allow officially unoccupied land to be handed over to national and international companies. It's a law that could enable multinationals to claim land currently occupied by the country's rural poor.
Right now there are many farmers occupying vacant lands but have not applied formally for them. This project would allow for a farmer who meets all the requirements to receive rural property in Colombia to be ejected from their land.
The law is being pursued despite government pledges during peace talks with the FARC to oversee countryside land reform and address massive rural displacement.
The alternative to this model is that the state directly hands over resources to the farmers, to the associations of producers, to the cooperatives and producers, to give them the incentives and to give the vacant land to farmers who don't have land. Colombia has all of the instruments to be able to do that.
For farmer Fabio Moreno, the law highlights the lack of regard the government has for rural communities.
The government criticizes the guerrilla, the paramilitaries, saying that they rob land from the farmers, that they take it away. But what is the government doing? It's doing the same thing.
If the law is enacted, it will likely cause severe problems at the peace negotiations taking place in Havana. The outstanding and unanswered question here is how a policy of handing over land to major national and international economic interests falls into the government's peace talks commitment for rural reform and the alleviation of poverty and landlessness among millions of people in the countryside. Charles Parkinson, Telesur, outside Bogota, Colombia.